I'm just come and cook with me. I'm just come and cook with me. I'm just Hey everybody, what's going on? It's your girl Just T, you guys, and we are doing an awesome video. We are making some southern fried mustard pork chops, you guys, and I only have a few seasonings, as you can see. Not a lot, does not take a lot at all. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to let this marinate overnight in a Ziploc bag, and you'll see me as I'm going to get everything into the bowl in a second. Right there I have my pork chops. That was in a sorted pack of pork chops. And right there I have like about 1/4 cup of the little hot sauce that I had. Mine was extra hot, but trust me, the pork chops did not come out hot at all. And mustard, I would say use about 2 to 3 tablespoons, depending on how many pork chops you're making. So if you're making a lot of pork chops, then you need a good bit of mustard on there, okay? And I'm going to go in with 1 pack of the Sassoon seasoning. And the seasonings that I'm using, guys, it's just that steak and chop seasoning that I have. I'm going to just put about a tablespoon of that. And I have some Cajun seasoning as well that I'm going to put on there, about the same, about a tablespoon. And then we're just going to get everything mixed up together. So you're going to have to get your hands in there, boo. Go ahead. Now, if you want to put some gloves on, then you can go right ahead. But I don't mind getting my hands dirty for a good old meal. Okay? Go ahead. Get your hands in there. All you got to do is wash them. Come on. Walk with me. These pork chops were so freaking good. So if you can, marinate them overnight. Now, if you cannot marinate them and you don't have time, at least try to marinate them for a few hours. Okay? So I went ahead and I'm getting my Ziploc bag together, and I'm going to put those in my Ziploc bag. And you want to make sure that you're getting all the air out of that bag as well before you seal it up. And you want to make sure that all that mixture is coated on those pork chops very, very well. All right. And so right there, I'm just showing you how mine look. And that mustard, guys, yeah, you guys got to try that. If you have not tried it, try it. All right. And I'm going to come back 24 hours later. Voila, there I go. That's what they look like after I took them out the next day. And in the bag I have some flour. I have about 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and I have some of those same seasonings that I put on the pork chops, that Cajun seasoning, and I also have that steak and chop seasoning. I have about a tablespoon of each inside. I'm just giving it a good shake. You want to go ahead and get your pan ready on the stove. I have some canola oil in a pan that's heating up, and you're just gonna fry them, boo. That's it. Basically, just fry them. Look at that. Just fry them up. Easy, right? Yep. That's an easy recipe, you guys. Quick and easy. And I promise you, if you let those pork chops marinate overnight, look at my hand. Ah, Jesus, take the wheel. Oh my gosh. Ooh, why didn't I edit that out? It is what it is, but that was funny. Jesus Christ. Playing in flour. But you're going to go ahead and you're going to just let those cook. I have it on like a medium high heat that I'm frying these on. It's not going to take long at all. They're going to get nice and crispy. Okay? And then you want to have yourself a wire rack. Now, I don't suggest putting anything fried on paper towels because it's just going to get soft on the side that's, you know, facing the paper towel. If you have a wire rack, then please use a wired rack and let that oil drain off on there. And you can also, if you're cooking them in batches, you're cooking a lot, keep a wired rack in a pan in the oven on about 170 inside your oven, and it's going to help keep them warm and stay nice and crispy. These pork chops came out so good, y'all. They really did. And I didn't show you guys me cooking all the pork chops that I had because I felt like that would be overkill, you know. So I wanted to make a quick, simple, easy recipe in like video rather. I didn't want to make this too long for you guys. So I hope that you guys are enjoying that. All right. So those are about done. I'm about to take them out. Well, I'm about to give y'all a piece. Y'all about to get a piece in a minute. I'm about to pass one to y'all. Y'all better go ahead and take it. You better go ahead and take it. Y'all ready? It's coming. Look at those crispy pork chops. They crispy. Crispy. Yes. Oh my gosh, those pork chops was so freaking good, y'all. Yeah, they were good. Look at that. Come on now. Come on. Look at that pork chop though. Crispy, y'all. Nice golden brown pork chop. There y'all go. Thank me later. Y'all better try this recipe though. I ain't playing with y'all. It's really, really good. I promise you that. I promise you that. I promise you that. It's good. That's a good pork chop. Tasted very good. Nice and crispy. But as always, guys, you know, it's just tea. I thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel. And I hope you all stay forever blessed, y'all. It's just tea, y'all. And I'm out. Thank you so much for watching. Stay forever blessed.